Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Monopolists face unique rules when demand turns inelastic. We will quickly analyze how marginal and total revenue shift as output increases in this specific zone. In the inelastic region of a demand curve, consumers are not very responsive to price changes. This means that to sell more units, the monopolist must drop prices significantly. According to the total revenue test, when demand is inelastic, a price decrease actually causes total revenue to fall. This happens because the price drop outweighs the gain in volume. Since marginal revenue represents the change in total revenue, it must be negative here. Therefore, option E is the only correct choice for this problem. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rush. Trust given facts and check steps carefully.